What's up, YouTube? Irish MC Vet here. Hey, guys and gals. So I'm coming to you with the update. It is 16:44, and the temperature is 112 degrees. So there it is, installed. It's not permanently installed because I have some other wires to install for the ham radio and CB antenna and all that good jazz. But anyways, that's what you can see. It is 112 degrees. However, the sun is starting to penetrate through the side windows now. It's not directly overhead anymore. So, but as you can see, 112, and the temperature outside is the same. It's right around 192 degrees. So that's the Jeep update. So it does work. I'm doing the doors as well. And then I'm going to throw some window tint on the front windows and put some more of that insulation there. I'm also going to insulate some more of the hollow A-pillars and stuff like that. So, all right, that's what I wanted to let you guys know. Obvious reduction. I believe, if I'm correct, it was, I don't know, 130 maybe, 128 the other day, I don't know. So anyways, that's it. It does work. Also, I'd like to try to incorporate some kind of solar powered fan that would circulate the air or suck it out through the little flapper that keeps the windows from blowing out when you close the doors real hard. So stay tuned for updates. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish MC Vet. Semper Fi, Godspeed. Talk to you all later.